How's it going? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we wanted to talk about what to expect during the process of scheduling a foundation inspection. First things first, there are multiple ways to reach out to our office. The most common way would probably be to call our office directly, but homeowners can also go to our website and fill out a contact form. And if a homeowner reaches out outside of our regular business hours, then our scheduling coordinators do a pretty fantastic job of following up the next business day. So during the call, our coordinators will typically ask a couple of questions regarding the homeowner's foundation, and then they'll work their way through each of our project consultants' schedules in order to find a date and time that works best for the homeowner. We should probably note that we are typically booked about 2 weeks out on our inspections, but our coordinators can do a pretty good job of moving things around if an emergency were to arise. After the inspection is scheduled, our team will send a follow-up email with tons of information on the project consultant that'll be performing the inspection. We like to do this just so that homeowners have a pretty good idea of who it is that's actually going to be coming out and inspecting their home. We'll also send a couple more follow-ups either via email or text message, just as a reminder of the time and date of the appointment for the homeowner. So if you've ever wondered what to expect when scheduling a foundation inspection, now you know it's a pretty painless process, and that's your tip of the day.